Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Ollama and Llama.cpp. In order to do so, here we are at Ollama.com and we're also at the GitHub page for Llama.cpp. We're going to check in with Cider AI to do this comparison. According to Cider, Ollama and Llama are both tools related to working with large language models, especially the Llama models from Meta, but they serve different roles and audiences. Ollama is commercial, user-friendly app, and it simplifies running and managing LLMs locally or via cloud services with the GUI. It has easy installation, management of models, and its optimized performance with sharing models. It is for users wanting a straightforward integrated experience without deep technical setup. It's ideal for non-technical users or those wanting quick, hassle-free local Llama LLM usage. Llama.cpp, on the other hand, is an open source project, and it provides a lightweight, portable, and efficient way to run Llama models on local CPUs and GPUs. It's console-based, highly optimized for various hardware, and it supports inference of Llama models without dependencies. It's for developers and technical users comfortable with command line interfaces who want maximum control, and it's running Llama models locally on personal computers with minimal setup. In summary, Ollama offers a polished GUI experience ideal for those with less technical experience and are seeking convenience, whereas Llama.cpp is more geared towards tech-savvy users wanting a customizable open source solution primarily via command line. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, take a look in the description. You will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI tool recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.